Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your username within the Cash App application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cash App application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account before, you will be asked to use your phone number or your email address to log in. If you have already logged in, then you might also be asked to enter your biometric or your PIN code that you have set up with your account. After providing either one of these codes, you will be logged into your account. And now from this page, in order to change your username, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. You will then be taken into your account page. Now from this page, tap on Edit Profile and you will be allowed to edit your personal information. Just tap on your full name from this page. And now you can enter your desired username. Just type in whatever name you want to use for your account and then tap on the Save button. Once you tap on Save, your username will immediately be changed. And you can tap on the preview option to see what your username and your account details look like to another user who can see your profile. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your username within Cash App. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.